On my last video, we have seen that Lean was developed for a medium-sized company, and I'm sure you have seen it applied for small businesses on TV series. But are you aware of it, and can you name at least one? Let's see. One of the tools of lean manufacturing is called 5S, which is an acronym that stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It is a methodology that's thought for organizing a productive work environment. Sort stands for eliminate whatever is not needed at the workplace. Set in order means organize whatever materials are still remaining at the workplace. Shine means clean. Standardize is when you take the first three S's and establish rules to carry them out in a performant way. And sustain means make 5 S's a way of life by forming the people that you're working with. Here you can see the before and after of applying 5 S's to a workshop. As you can see, many unnecessary things have disappeared. Everything has a very defined container that has been labeled to be able to easily locate the tools, and it's all clean. I'm not going to get very deep into this methodology because this is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how lean is often used in small businesses, and we're not even aware of it. An example of this is Hell's Kitchen with Chef Gordon Ramsay. Following, we're going to watch a video about Chef Ramsay applying this methodology to a pantry.
He decides to do an examination.
Right from the beginning, we can see a door that's rusty and dirty and has not had the proper maintenance for years. The food is stored in any way. No delimited spaces, no stickers showing where each thing should go, food on top of other food, any kind of packages. There's absolutely no order. Again, look at this ham with no wrapping nor packaging, just lying around on top of the shelf grid. It could leak on the food that is under it or get contaminated by other food, or the shelf grid rust itself.
This fridge is dreadful. Wow. Chicken breasts. Oh.
The chicken breasts are not in a proper container, are lying on the floor, don't have an expiring date clearly marked, and look as if they have been leaking in the bag and are in no condition to be eaten.
Oh my God, just dumped in there. Not even taken out of the bag, that's how lazy they've become. And the whole fridge is not even chilled, it's warm.
We can see that the fridge has not been cleaned in a long time, and the temperature has exceeded what's recommendable. Either the cooling system is not working properly and needs to be fixed, or there are no standardized procedures to keep things under control.
There's not a decent temperature on the floor here. What is that? Unbelievable. Pork belly in a carrier bag on the floor.
There are no initiatives to sustain the procedures. No checklists, no follow-up meetings, no periodic inspections, no person in charge of the kitchen maintenance. People are just running around without a definite direction. This is a textbook example of the application of lean manufacturing to a small business. Other examples of the application of lean manufacturing to a small business that appear on TV are The Prophet, Undercover Boss, Shark Tank, or How It's Made. It's worth mentioning that even though these TV series are not focused on lean manufacturing, they very often display quite a few tools of lean manufacturing. So whether your business is in danger of bankruptcy or struggling to grow, lean manufacturing will bring you tools to have a better insight of what is happening and how to overcome your difficulties. If you're interested in learning more, please watch my next videos. Thank you.